Hey, welcome to day 42 of 100 Days of Code. Today we're continuing with HTML and we're learning more advanced parts of HTML, including forms and tables. By the end of today's lessons, you'll be able to create contact forms using HTML and also create basic layouts in your web page using HTML tables. And this is going to allow us to upgrade our CV website to have even more components and to make it look like a real resume that you could put online. Speaking of putting it online, the most exciting part of today's lessons will be at the very end, where I teach you how you can actually publish your website to make it go live on the internet, so you'll be able to share a link to your CV to anybody who's interested, to any friends, family, or potential employers. So all of that exciting stuff is yet to come, so head over to the next lesson and get started.